Hello there, welcome to our new lecture, Skills Freelancers Need. What skills do freelancers really need? If you are unfamiliar with the freelancing, you may be surprised at all of the skills that freelancers actually use to run their businesses. Here is a list of skills that freelancers need. Let me discuss it one by one. Accounting skills. When you freelance, you are essentially running a small business. That means that you must perform a basic bookkeeping tasks. You are also responsible for paying taxes, which are generally more complex for freelancers than for individuals. Estimation skills. How long will a project take? Successful freelancers need to be able to answer these questions so that they can schedule their time effectively and still earn a profit. Communication skills. Communication skills are a good trait to have for any business person. They are very much essential for them who wants to maximize their effectiveness in this field. You can have amazing talent, but if you are not effective at communicating with clients, it can be frustrating for everyone involved. And consequently, the result will suffer. Freelancing is all about clear communication. As a freelancer, you must express your ideas and requirements to prospective clients, current clients, or other freelancers. Communication is not limited to your existing client base. Some clients may require one-time services and some other client may require full-time services. You will also have to keep your clients up to date and build rapport with them in the hope that they may give you another project or refer you to others who may require your services. Interpersonal skills. The stereotype is that freelancers work alone and don't need interpersonal skills, but that's a myth. Freelancers interact with prospects, clients, and other freelancers. Marketable skills. This is probably the skill you think of when you think of freelancing. We say that someone is a freelance designer, writer, programmer, and so on. The truth is that we are all so much more than a single skill. Management skill. Freelancers often need to manage others. They may outsource tasks to get a project done or hire subcontractors. They may even hire a virtual assistant for help with their routine tasks. Many businesses today work with a remote team of freelancers to complete projects. You will need to communicate and collaborate with others on a variety of platforms. If you want to succeed in this environment, teamwork skills are essential.